Let's talk about a circular doubly linked list. Now before starting the theory part, let's discuss about the representation of circular doubly linked list. Now we already discussed about the collection of objects is called as a node, and these nodes are connected to each other to form a sequence, and that is we called as a linked list. Each node is represented like this. This is a node. Now this is node 1, then this is node 2, and this is node 3. For example, here we can create multiple number of nodes as you want. In doubly linked list, each node is divided into 3 buckets, or we can call it as a 3 partitions. So this is a 3 partitions. The first partition is a previous, second partition is data, and third partition is next. Okay, there is a one value, the integer value or float value, that is called as a data, and the 2 pointer variables. First one is a previous and second one is a next. Previous is a pointer variable which points to the address of previous node, and next is also a pointer variable which points to the address of next node. So here this is node 1, this is node 2, and this is node 3. Here the address of node 2 is linked to the node 1 next. The address of node 3 is linked to the next of node 2. Again, node 1 address is stored into the previous of node 2, and node 2 address is stored into the node 3 previous. Previous is a pointer which stores the address of previous element, and next is a pointer which stores the address of next element. Here the first node of the list is called as a start or head, and the last node of the list is called as a end or tail. Now what is meant by circular doubly linked list? The address of the first node is stored into the last node next, or we can say that the last node next store the address of first node. So this is called as a circular doubly linked list. Now let's see one example. Let's create 4 number of nodes. This is node 1, node 2, node 3, and this is node 4. Now again each node is divided into 3 partitions. The middle partition is data. For example, let's store the data. For example, 5, 10, 20 and 30. Now here the first node next points to the second node address. Second node next points to the address of third node, and third node next points to the address of fourth node. Again we go reverse. So here fourth node previous points to the address of third node previous points to the address of second node, and second node previous points to the address of first node. Previous is a pointer that stores the address of previous element, and next is a pointer which stores the address of next element. Now here the first element address is stored into the last element, and that's why it is called as a circular linked list. Now you have to mention all the partitions here. That is, this one is a previous, this is a data, and this is a next. Again do the same for all the nodes. I hope you understand this concept. Now circular doubly linked list is a type of data structure in which a node contains pointer to its previous node as well as next node. In a circular doubly linked list there are 2 pointers. One is the previous and other one is the next. So previous points to the address of previous node and next points to the address of next node. So it doesn't contain null in any of the node, because the first node address is stored into the last node, or we can say that the last node address is stored into the previous of first node. That's why it does not contain any of the null values. The last node of the list contains address of the first node of the list, and first node of the list contains the address of last node in its previous pointer. There is one advantage about a circular doubly linked list, that we can traverse in both the directions. Means in a singly linked list or in a circular singly linked list, we can traverse in only one direction only, and the backtracking is not possible in a singly linked list. But in a doubly linked list or circular doubly linked list, a backtracking is possible. That means we can traverse in both the directions. So I hope you understand this lecture. If you have any doubt, any query regarding this topic or any other topic, then let me know in the comment section.